Alright, here's a weird math fact. 0 factorial is equal to 1. But, wait a minute, isn't factorial about multiplying numbers? And 0 means nothing, right? So why on earth does 0 factorial is equal to 1? Well, let me show you. It's actually pretty amazing. 1 factorial equals 1, 2 factorial equals 2 times 1, 3 factorial equals 3 times 2 times 1, 4 factorial equals 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, 5 factorial equals 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, and so on. In order to find what 0 factorial is, we have to go backwards, then we have to divide by 5 to get 4 factorial. Then divide by 4 to get to 3 factorial. Then divide by 3 to get to 2 factorial. Then divide by 2 to get to 1 factorial, and also divide by 1 to get to 0 factorial. So that's how the answer is 1. So, even though 0 might seem weird at first, math makes it work perfectly. It keeps patterns consistent and helps solve real problems in probability and algebra. Did this explanation blow your mind? Do you want to know what is the factorial of a negative number? Or the number which is not an integer? Comment below with all of your favorite math mysteries. And if you love math content, hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing explanations.
If you found this video enlightening, subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What other fascinating topics should we explore? Let us know and stay curious.